Let's unpack why the Galaxy Book5 Pro 360 might be your next creative sidekick. We're looking at Intel's shiny new Core Ultra 7 processor here. This isn't just some incremental upgrade. That NPU neural processing unit, for the uninitiated, delivers 70% faster AI performance than last gen. I ran Premiere Pro with 4K footage while live streaming and the fans barely kicked in. That's the kind of thermal efficiency that makes content creators tear up. And yes, if you're into next-gen computing, smash that like button and subscribe. Takes half a second and helps this channel big time. The AI features, they're not just marketing fluff. That dedicated Copilot key is your gateway to legit helpful AI. I asked it to optimize my bloated Excel sheet and boom, pivot tables appeared like magic. But here's the kicker. The offline AI processing means your data stays private. No cloud dependency for core functions, which is huge for security nerds like me. Now about that display. Samsung brought their A-game. We're talking 3K dynamic AMOLED 2X with 120Hz adaptive refresh. The blacks are so deep they make OLED TVs jealous. I measured 420 nits peak brightness, which means outdoor use is actually viable. And get this, the anti-reflective coating cuts glare by 40% compared to last year's model. No more playing find the right angle in coffee shops. Creatives, listen up, the S Pen experience here is witchcraft. The latency? 2.8 milliseconds, that's faster than human reaction time. I did side-by-side tests with a Wacom tablet and honestly, the pressure sensitivity might be better here. The tilt detection nailed my sloppy charcoal sketches perfectly. And before you ask, yes, it charges inside the chassis unlike certain fruit-branded tablets. The audio will shock you. Those quad speakers with dual woofers pump out bass that has no business coming from a laptop this thin. Dolby Atmos spatial audio actually works. I could pinpoint enemy footsteps in Call of Duty with eerie accuracy. For Zoom calls, the AI noise cancellation filtered out my neighbor's leaf blower like it was nothing. Now let's nerd out on ports because Samsung didn't cheap out. 2 Thunderbolt 4 ports mean you can drive dual 4K displays while charging. The full-size HDMI 2.1 is a godsend for conference rooms. And microSD? Still here when everyone else is ditching it. I transferred 100 gigabytes of footage in under 3 minutes thanks to those speedy lanes. Samsung claims 25 hours, and in real-world testing, I got 19 hours of mixed use before hitting 10%. That's with brightness at 70% and multiple edge tabs open. The 65W fast charging delivers 6 hours of juice in 30 minutes. No more outlet hunting at airports. The keyboard is pure typing bliss, 1.4 millimeters travel with that perfect Samsung clickiness. The oversized touchpad has this clever palm rejection tech that finally fixed my accidental zoom issues. And the 1080p webcam? Staggered HDR makes my late-night recording sessions now the ecosystem tricks. Multi-control lets you use your Galaxy Tab as a wireless second monitor with near-zero latency. Quick Share transferred a 5 GB video to my S23 Ultra in 12 seconds. The phone link integration is so seamless I answered WhatsApp calls directly from the laptop without missing a beat. For digital nomads, the military-grade durability means this survives backpack life. I accidentally dropped mine, don't tell Samsung, and the magnesium alloy chassis didn't even dent. The hinge still feels buttery smooth after 200+ flips. That 1.4 kilograms weight makes the MacBook Pro feel chunky. Now the real question, who's this for? If you're a mobile creator needing pen input, it's a no-brainer. Writers will adore the keyboard. Business travelers get that insane battery. Gamers get surprisingly decent thermals, though hardcore players should still look at dedicated rigs. At this price point, it outclasses Surface Pros while matching MacBook build quality. So final verdict. The Galaxy Book5 Pro 360 is that rare do-everything device that actually delivers. If you're team Android/Windows, this might be the perfect laptop. Unless you need 32 GB RAM for hardcore video editing, there's not much to complain about. But hey, what do you think? Would you trade your current laptop for this? Drop your thoughts in the comments. And if this deep dive helped, you know what to do. Like, subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one where we're comparing this to the new Dell XPS 16. Peace out.